Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So Ashley, today we're doing a little bit of packing. I'm going on a trip to Nashville and then to New York. In total, it should be about 10 days, including traveling. So I have a lot to fit into just carry-on and personal bag, so wish me luck. Okay, so first off are the Nashville fits. Featuring my new boots I got from Poshmark for like 50 bucks. Real leather.
Genuine ostrich. 3 payments.
And then I have this cute little 76 shirt. Very Americana.
My pronouns are USA.
And I figured if the boots get uncomfy, I can just switch to these Adidas. My go-to casual walking shoes. And then this cute denim tote bag that I made. And the green shorts because that's all I have for. Switching back to the boots because it makes it way more balanced. Next up I have this Guess denim top that ties in the front, paired with black denim shorts. This one works really well with the boots and the tote bag. Then I figured if I get a little cold at night, I can throw on this flannel, and it's still cute, but I think it looks better tied around my waist, and then I don't feel all exposed walking down the street. Speaking of exposed, here's me in this tiny mini skirt that I'm probably not gonna wear.
Mini skirts. Skirts should be the size of a belt. Life's short. Take risks.
But it's spring and it's hot, and I wanted to have a sort of dressier option. Next up is my idea for a bar outfit with this red denim skirt that matches my hair and a cutoff tank top. And it still goes with the boots and the tote bag. Here's another idea for a night outfit, this time with bootcut jeans and a corsety top. And I really like these jeans, so I tried them with a different top, and this one feels very country girl to me.
I want to be a cowboy, man.
But super cute and contrasting with my hair. Now for the New York fit. Here's my idea for a daytime cool girl look with an oversized vest and teeny tiny shorts. My attempt to fit the cowgirl boots into the city. Next is a comfy outfit for Central Park with my Adidas, big jeans and a tiny top. And don't forget the tote bag. And then to transition to nighttime, maybe if we want to go to a bar, I can just throw this little top on and it's dressed up a little bit. Don't ask me what I was listening to. I don't know why I'm dancing so much. But here's my daytime in Brooklyn outfit with this drippy crop top that I made and pants that I thrifted. And I think I was getting a little excited here because the tote bag goes with everything. And then here's another transition to nighttime in the same pants with this top featured in my last thrift flip, but the tote bag wasn't gonna work. So I tried this purse. It was really freaking cold. But dang, she's cute. I was really feeling it with that purse. And then if I get cold, I have the little shawl to put over it. It was okay. I kind of liked it better without it. And then here's my option for a dinner outfit. And I know what you're thinking, toes out in New York City. What are you thinking? But I had to do it. I had to have my Carrie Bradshaw strappy sandal moment. And you can fight me on it. Anyway, I had to prepare for the cold, pairing it with this sweater. And I actually love the big comfy sweater with the silky skirt. And then adding this purse. It's just so much texture. I love it. And then of course I had to have a boring option just in case I wasn't feeling brave. Still cute, but very basic. And then for my last night outfit, I went back to the bold side, putting the boots back on with this leopard print dress. Or is it cheetah? I don't know the difference. And I paired it with that same soft little dark green sweater. And I love this outfit too, it's super comfy. Now that we have all the outfits, we need to somehow fit them in a suitcase. Yay! I got this suitcase off of Amazon just for this trip. It's the perfect carry-on size. And I got this backpack for another trip that I went on. It's personal bag size. And I got these compact packing cubes so that I could smush everything into that backpack. First, I fold everything into piles. So here are all my bottoms, specifically for Nashville. And then my tops for Nashville. Bottoms for New York. Tops for New York. And then sweaters and dresses. I also needed a bikini for Nashville. And then the essential underwear, socks, and bras. And then I have my 2 purses, my heels, flip-flops, and boots. I wanted to fit all of my Nashville clothes into one bag so that I wouldn't have to open the New York clothes until we got there. So I put all of the tops and bottoms and sweaters into one packing cube. And then I zipped that up and compacted it. Then I put all of my New York clothes in a separate packing cube that was a little bit smaller. The only thing that I left out was all of my jeans, because you can't really compact those. They're too hard. I was honestly surprised that I fit that many dresses in there, but it worked.
I think I need a bigger size.
Honey, you never need a bigger size. Come here. Let me show you a little trick. Brace yourself.
Oh.
Suck it in. Squeeze those cheeks, sister. Suck it in.
And then for the smallest packing cube, I put 3 pajama tops and 3 bottoms. And it's easier to compact it if you distribute the volume first. So that's why I do that. So here's everything that I need to fit in the suitcase and backpack. And here's my jewelry and other accessories that I'm bringing, not including toiletries yet. Now enjoy watching me fit it all into the suitcase, while also trying to leave some space for toiletries. I know what you're thinking, how is she gonna fit all that in there? Well, I got you. Just watch. So after I fit everything inside, I had to double check the packing list to see what was left to stuff into the pockets of the backpack. It was mostly airplane entertainment so that I could be comfortable and entertained on the plane. Okay, yeah, we get it. Anyway, it was just the stuff that I wanted to be able to reach easily. And here they are, all packed and ready to go. And the backpack has like a little strap on the back so I can slide it onto the handle so I don't have to carry around this, it's very heavy backpack. Come back for my next video to see the Nashville vlog. Thanks for watching.